How to install phpwiki from Fantastico. This tutorial assumes you've already launched the Fantastico application. Now let's learn how to install phpwiki. Click the phpwiki link here. This is the phpwiki installation screen. phpwiki is a website where anyone can edit the pages through an HTML form. Linking is done automatically on the server side. All pages are stored in a database. Click the New Installation link here. Enter the name of the directory you want to install in, or leave this field blank for installation in the root directory. Enter an admin username and password in the following boxes. When ready, click here to install. Click here to finish the installation. That's it! phpwiki has been successfully installed in your account and is ready for you to start configuring it. Click here to log into your new installation. Log in using the admin username and password you assigned during installation. Your new installation is now listed here on the script's homepage. From here you can visit the site by clicking here, or remove the script from your account by clicking here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install phpwiki to your account from within Fantastico.